my goodness, you'll see all those raisins just fell out of there. Oh, that looks so juicy. Oh my gosh, y'all. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today we are making pastels. If you guys haven't seen any of my vlogmas video as yet, make sure and check them out. I did a ton of stuff already, so make sure to check it out. But yeah, today we are making pastels, so I wanted to show you guys how we make our pastels. I know everybody do everything a little bit different, but this is how we make it to get that nice, moist, buttery, bouncy texture pastel with great meat flavor inside. So yeah, let me show you all how I do that now. Okay, so this is 1.33 kgs of minced beef, and for the seasoning I use 2 packs of olives and a half a jar of the capers. You are also going to need some all-purpose seasoning and some Creole seasoning. You all can tell by the look of this that this meat is packed with flavor. Get you a nice big pot to cook your minced meat, and you're cooking it on like a medium to high heat. Often so it wouldn't burn or get lumpy. Make sure that you wash your raisins, because sometimes there's sand in the raisins, so you don't want to be eating on crunchy stuff. So make sure and wash your raisins. You want to add your salt after adding the raisins, because raisins add a little bit sweetness to the meat, so you can balance it off with the amount of salt that you want. Okay, so this is finished. You just have to let it cool. And then I also have these fig leaves that I'm singeing. I finished singeing all. If you guys are interested in seeing, you know, how to do this process here, make sure to check it out. I'll leave it somewhere in the link. So these are the ingredients you would need to make the pastel, and I have my leaves here ready, my pastel press, and I also got a big bowl here to mix everything in. Sure you mix this well to get out most of the lumps from the butter. sure that the water is nice and lukewarm, because all you don't want to cook the corn flour, but at the same time the cold water makes it a little bit tough to work with. So yeah, get you some nice lukewarm water, and you know, just keep mixing. You're feeling for a nice Play-Doh type texture, not hard but not soft and sloppy. And you would know that the dough is perfect when you roll it up into a ball and it doesn't stick to your hand. And not only that, when you press it down, it doesn't crack up as much on the ends of the ball, like so. Yeah, you see it doesn't crack up as much. That is perfect. Okay, so with using the whole pack of cornmeal flour, we got 40. It's not large, but it wasn't like tiny, so I'll guess like medium size pastels. You guys will see it in a minute. But yeah, we got 40 exact amount of pastels. Baby girl is such a good helper in the kitchen. Oh, so cute. Make sure to put a generous amount on the leaf, because sometimes the dough could stick onto the leaf, and I'll show you that in a minute. Have to do is take your fingers and kind of pull it off. And there you have it, the perfect pastel fold. Go ahead and wrap it up in the leaf, and then what you want to do is get you some foil and wrap this again in the foil. Some people use thread or twine to wrap the leaf, but we're just using foil because that's what we have. Add it to your pot of steaming hot water and leave it for 30 to 45 minutes. It's the final reveal, y'all. Let's see how these pastels came out, y'all. I already know these are some juicy pastels, but y'all, check this out. Ooh, while you're seeing that, oh my gosh, I am in love. Check this slice here. Ooh, yes, yes, lovely. Oh my goodness, you'll see all those raisins just fell out of there. Oh, that looks so juicy. Oh my gosh, y'all, and this tastes so good, so moist, so delicious, so flavorful. Okay, y'all, so that was the end of the video. That's how I make my pastels. I really hope that you guys try this recipe. Trust me, it's super delicious, it's flavorful, it's moist, and y'all will be the talk of the Christmas season. So if y'all want that and y'all want to pick up the scenes, all you don't even have to mention my name and my recipe or nothing like that. Just take all the credit when all you're making it, and I bet you that you'll be the talk of the season. Anyways, that was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe and you all saw how that pasta was looking, so imagine how that was tasting. Delicious. And I will see you in a next video tomorrow. Bye.